Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop.
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas from us here at Christ-Centered Ironworks.
So this is the official invite video for this year's The Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway live stream that we'll be having right here on YouTube on December 20th. That is a Friday at 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So it's 5 p.m. through 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we would like to invite you all out there and your family and your friends and your clubs and your organizations to come join us right here for one of our biggest giveaway live streams that we do on the channel every year, and come join in all the festivities and fun. This year we have some really awesome donations, and we have a lot of great tools that are provided by us truly, and Jessica's going to take you into those here. It's a long list, so I just said, you know what, hun? You get after it. You go ahead and read it. So.
Yep, I got it all typed up for us. We'll start with the donation items coming in from Possum Sausage Forge. We have some titanium 3/16 flat jaw tongs. Also a stump anvil made from...
Let me tell you about the titanium tongs. Those things are weird. Those things are just so weird. They're
so
awesome.
Light. They're like a cloud.
I absolutely coveted them from like moment one. I was just like, whoa, you pick it up, it feels like you're picking up like a little piece of aluminum or something. So lightweight, super strong, but yeah, pretty awesome. So thank you Possum Sausage, for sending those in. If nobody wins those, Roy will win those for Christmas.
It's the backup.
It's the backup. It's the backup. So I hope nobody claims them. I'll just keep them.
For Roy. Hey. Possum Sausage Christmas gift idea. Also from Possum Sausage is a stump anvil made from axle shaft.
Yep.
And also 3 leaf dividers that are forge welded from mild steel leaves and forge welded and hardened spring steel tips. So he got to do some of that forge welding.
Lots of forge welding in that piece. They are really nice dividers, super nice dividers.
Also from Adam at Speargrass Forge, we have 2 books of the Complete Practical Blacksmithing Annotated. So 2 of those coming from him. Also from Robert Lannis at the Treadle Shed, we have a stamp holder tool with stamps. So this thing's looking pretty cool. Next, from Apple Ironworks, we have a 2-pound rounding hammer. And from Bar Run Forge, we have 2 bottle opener blanks, 2 coffee scoop handles, 1 single-piece coffee scoop blank, and a knife made from a concrete saw blade, or a knife blank anyway. Yep. And then next we have a starter blacksmith tool bag that just came in just a couple of days ago that is full of really awesome tools. And this one includes a couple of books, a pair of tongs, an apron, a 3/4 inch cut-off Hardy that should fit in a Vevor or a Doyle anvil, safety glasses, ear protection, a set of files and rasp, a brush, a small brass brush, a ball peen hammer, a hook rule, a hammer handle blank, a mouse hawk handle, beeswax, a few horseshoes and railroad spikes for projects, the tool bag itself, stickers, and soapstone. And all that's coming from Dave's Iron. Also in from Zach at ZH Fabrications, we have some forge finish wax and some shepherd oil. Also, we have 5 sticker packs that consist of stickers from Dave's Iron and also some made for us from Dana Maggiore. Additionally, we have a painting, Snapdragon Flowers and Tongs, an original watercolor painting made by Flora and Fox Designs on Etsy. And that brings us to our items here at Christ-Centered Ironworks.
Woo woo.
Let's see, we have for you, first of all, we are giving away a Doyle anvil. We will also be giving away a double bay guillotine toolkit, a single bay guillotine toolkit, a full treadle hammer kit with air assist and heavy hammer upgrade, a C-frame guillotine toolkit, an A-frame guillotine toolkit, an Uncle Buck's Forge vise-mounted tool holder, and also a concentric vise-mounted tool holder. And lastly, an enameled ornament by yours truly.
That's a long list of things that we'll be giving away, huh? So, and there will be a few last minutes as well. We never know. So it is not a conclusive list yet, but there is a ton of great things to take and give away this year. And so we really do hope that you all will join us this upcoming Friday. Again, that is December 20th at 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern time, right here on YouTube. It's going to be a good time. We always have a good time. We say 5 to 7 p.m., but it live will run a lot later. It usually does because we're having such a good time.
Yep.
One year it was so snowy inside the shop, Jessica even threw snowballs at me for money. So
that's right. All those super chatters.
Yeah, all those super chatters to pick up snowballs. Then she threw one with ice in it, and that was like, okay, that one was a little rough, but
yeah.
But
we'll try not to do that. This year it's the barn's patch, so we should be
Thank God
good.
for a better patched up barn this year. So
yeah.
She'd have to bring the snow inside with her this.
I would
this time
bring
around,
a pail of snow.
Yeah, just bring a whole pail of snow.
Yeah, that's right.
Comment down below if you want her to do that.
It might be bad if it's just like rain though.
Yeah.
So it'll be a pail of rain.
It's just a cup of water you throw at me. Every few minutes. Yeah, that would work out good. So during this stream, I always like to forge on a little something as we go along. The main point of this stream is simply to just hang out with you folks, everyone who supported us over the entirety of our year, because we are just so blessed to have you and have your support all over, for the whole year. And it's our way of taking and giving back to the blacksmithing community who gives so much to us each and every day. So we can't thank you enough. If you aren't able to attend, it'll still be on YouTube, available for replay, so you can watch it at your leisure and, comment at your leisure as well. It'll be available on YouTube, well, till indefinitely, I guess, till Jesus comes back anyhow. So anyways, we invite you. If we don't see you there, we hope you and your family have a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you all so much for watching this video. God bless you, and we will catch you there.